Alright guys, we are walking out to the truck here and we're going to do a cold start. I'm going to adjust the camera here. There we go. I like to give it a couple pumps of gas. You will notice that the brake light lights up when you press on the brake. Put it in reverse here. Let's get a good angle. There we go. Let's focus here. All right. There we go. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Show us driving here. Alrighty. Put it in drive. There we go. Alrighty. Cruising here, and I'm going to change it down to the speedometer, that way you can see the speedometer. And we're just in a residential area right now. I'm gonna stop the recording and get on the highway, and I'll start recording once I get on and then start to cruise.